How to log in into my PepsiCo SSO account. If you're looking to log into your PepsiCo SSO account, you've come to the right place. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to sign in, so let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official PepsiCo SSO login page. You can do this by simply typing PepsiCo SSO login, or you can also type in the URL https://sso.pepsico.com into the address bar. Now simply tap on the first link and you'll be taken into the login page. Once you're in the login page, you'll see the fields where you need to enter your username and password. Start by entering your PepsiCo username. After you've entered your username, move on to the password field and simply type in your password. Be sure to enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. Depending on your account security settings, you may be asked to complete an additional verification step. Once you've entered your credentials, simply tap on login and that's it. That's how you can simply log into your PepsiCo SSO account.